Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Hyundai Palisade. First, ensure your engine is slightly warm, but not hot, for optimal oil flow. Gather all your necessary supplies, including 9 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic oil and a new oil filter. You'll also need a drain pan, funnel, and the correct socket wrenches for the job. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Next, you'll need to access the oil drain plug and filter. Many Palisades have an engine undercover, which you'll remove by unscrewing several 10mm bolts. Once the cover is off, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Use a 17mm socket to carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the old oil to drain completely. This can take about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, usually near the engine block, and use a 27mm socket to remove it. Carefully take out the old filter, replace its O-ring, and install the new filter. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 30 foot-pounds. Finally, use a funnel to add 9 quarts of fresh 5W30 full synthetic oil into the engine. After refilling, replace the oil cap and start your engine for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's within the proper range. Inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Reinstall the engine undercover and safely lower your vehicle. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.